What?
What is it? I can't guess.
It's stuffed bitter gourd fried in coconut oil.
Stuffed bitter gourd. Kaka hai.
No, it's good for health, Uncle.
Okay, let's make.
We all kids love to cook, but our mothers won't allow. You know why?
Why?
Because we make the kitchen messy. So I kept a small dustbin.
Hand sanitizer.
This is bitter gourd. I peeled the hard skin to reduce bitterness. And I washed it in turmeric water. To stuff the bitter gourd, we need some masala. So, for that, I fried red mirchi, peanuts, coriander seeds and cumin seeds.
Let's grind it.
Our stuffing masala is ready.
Let's stuff it. I also do it like this.
Okay.
What are these beans?
Butter.
Butter, it's better.
Some butter went into our stuffing. So, this will help the bitter gourd cook from inside.
Children should not do this. Daddy, can you help me? Our frying pan.
This is a keto dish. Low carb, high fat.
Let's use coconut oil.
We need to very carefully drop this into the pan.
Use this. Watch out. I also like it.
Slowly. No doubt. Okay. I need tiny pieces of onion.